Good morning, everyone. It's Curly K here. We are about to get into the free trade idea for January 22nd, 2026. As you can see here, I'm actually looking at Netflix. I was reviewing over this last night and I located the fact that we actually have a beautiful demand area. As you can see, we pulled into this area one, two, I can actually qualify this just a little bit. We kind of respected it over here, but we more so pulled into it this day, and then again yesterday. And on top of that, we also formed a level of support. So you can see how these candles stopped at the same exact area. That has my attention. And what also has my attention is the fact that we do have this very big Maribozu candle. We also have this kicking pattern. So this kind of looks like a bullish reversal setup. And I want to take part of that if we actually do move to the upside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and map this thing out. So we have our call entry off of the day right here. And let's figure out our magnitude. And not to mention, they actually beat earnings, but they had a very crazy drop. So they might try to get a recovery bounce as well. All right, so we're looking at 87.65 to the upside. And that would be our ATR target. And then let's just go ahead and close this gap here. So price targets are essentially areas that you should consider taking profit. They're like our goals that we're aiming for. Now let's look at the 4-hour and see if we get anything earlier. And we do. We get an earlier entry here. But we're actually above it during pre-market. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and just put that there in the event that we do get a pullback before the market opens. And let's see if there's anything on the hour. So there is, and let's take that as our put entry so that we don't miss a majority of the move. And let's figure out a magnitude to the downside. So we're looking at 83.09 down. And to map out our price targets to the downside. Uh-oh, didn't want to do that. Looks like we just have these two to the downside. All right, perfect. So I'm going to actually refer to my options chain just to see what looks best when it comes to volume. Not too bad. All right, so I would opt for in the money to 87. The 86 is really not expensive, but we're almost there. We might get a pullback. So I would say in the money to 87 for the upside. And then to the downside, I would do, let's go over to the put side of things. For the downside, I would do in the money to 84. So anything in the money, do not exceed 84. All right, everyone. So this is your free trade idea of the day. If you like these videos and you want to see them continuously coming in, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a friend or a family member. I hope to see you at Baggage Claim. Have an amazing day. Bye.